This video explains about how eMatchmaker platform functions. Hey, are you looking for marriage alliance?
Yeah, but not getting a matching one.
Did you try through friends and relatives as done traditionally in arranged marriage? Social media is the place where friendship starts and then proceed to love and marriage. Matrimony portals meant for the same purpose and fulfills this requirement to some extent.
In social media like Facebook, profiles are made not for matrimony purpose, so won't be getting all information about the candidate. Also, not everyone mention their matrimony status transparently. I don't feel comfortable asking unknown people directly. I have searched through friends and family, but I have limited network and not getting anyone suitable through them. Also not comfortable to discuss with all of them. Problem with other matrimony sites are that there anyone can search, thus candidate lose privacy of their information. There are several fake and exaggerated profiles. Thus, people don't give much information and searching candidates don't get required info. Finally, you may get many profiles, but not the really matching one.
Here comes the eMatchmaker, a matrimony platform based on traditional mediator, marriage bureau, or simply call it matchmaker. Why matchmaker? Marrying a loved one is great, getting a loving one is not less. Not all find their love by themselves, sometimes need other support. Sometimes candidates as well as parents hesitate to approach other party. Marriage event is a grand occasion organized by two unknown families. Need someone in the middle. Matchmaker attempts to fulfill all those. There are two types of matchmaker. First one is proposal maker, who is mainly responsible to affirm the data in candidate's profile and introduce both the candidates to each other and also their families. Such half work is due to their limitation of time. Second one is the full-fledged matchmaker, named as marriage maker, who can do same as proposal maker and then does everything till marriage event. A matchmaker may charge some fee for his service provided. eMatchmaker is the platform where both candidates as well as matchmakers play their role. Here every candidate has to associate with at least one matchmaker and one matchmaker can have multiple candidates. Two matching candidates can't interact with each other directly. Each of them have to associate with a matchmaker, who should talk to the matchmaker of other side about this proposal and find out possibility. On the other hand, a candidate can also approach another candidate directly. However, notification will go to their matchmakers ensuring the real intent in both sides. A matchmakers do not act as hurdle on their love journey, but usually known to their families, should act as a guide to succeed, coordinator to their physical meetings, intermediator between two families and overall a well-wisher. Let us know, what does eMatchmaker provide uniquely? First, it provides genuine profile. No more fake profile. It also avoids exaggerated information on candidate profile. This is ensured by their matchmakers as they usually know the candidates personally. In this platform, though there are several profiles, one can't see all of them, only the matched candidates can see each other's profiles. When two candidates match each other's criteria, they are called matched. One can see profiles of matched candidates, but cannot see profiles of others. Similarly, unmatched candidates can't see his profile. Thus, privacy of profile is preserved. There are multiple profiles intended for different purposes. Public profile contains minimal information to access a candidate. This is visible to all matching candidates. Detailed profile contains more private information, which is not visible to even all matching candidates. However, after approval, a matching candidate can see. Matching profile is a list of criteria that a candidate look forward from the possible alliance. This info is required to establish matching candidates as well as to inform matchmaker about what is he looking for. Overall, this model gives best usage of data with double levels of privacy. We call two profiles are matched only when, first, if a man's matching criteria fulfills with data in public and detailed profile of a woman, and second, Matching criteria of woman fulfills with data in public and detailed profile of a man. Essentially here two-way matching happens. Then only we call this pair of profiles matched. This platform also provides a mini social media named as Love Line with specific objective. This is a timeline with love events that allows to share photos of your loving events. It also provides a discussion forum among possible contenders that helps you projecting your personalities by sharing your views on different issues. Overall, it gives you a path with companions to march ahead in your love journey. Alliance is explored not only with achieved success or visible ST tributes, but also with inner qualities and sense of family values. This platform attempts to provide best matching by technological intervention, that is using AI, as well as personal involvement, that is Matchmaker. The e-Matchmaker is a platform to connect souls. You can download this app from Google Play Store. This is a solution from Rising Head Technology. Thank you.